Do you want to create this effect? Hey guys, welcome to Adswork. First, open After Effects and type your text. Then, select the circle tool to mask your text. Great. Now, open the Path option and select Mask 1. Go to the first margin, hover over the timeline, and press the Alt button. Now, edit the value to time *-200. Make the layer 3D, then enable per character 3D, and enable rotation again. Change the X value to 90. Then press the R button and set the X value to -75. That's all, everything is working fine. Finally, go to Effects, select Time, and add the Echo effect. Set the echo value to 2 or 3, and adjust the echo time as needed. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.